The, this is the most magical formation of this Pogostemon I've ever seen. And that color combination, and also it has that stiff, erect kind of structure, and then branches also. Kind of a primitive type of shape is there. This part particularly. I mean, nobody will believe that this is the real colors. It looks fake, like that photoshopped stuff. That color combination and all. Some kind of Jurassic look is there. ಏನು ನನಗೆ ಆಯಾಸ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಹೊರಡ್ಬೇಕಿನ್ನು. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಇದೇ ಗದ್ದೆಗೆ ನೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಈ ಪೋಗೋಸ್ಟೆಮಾನಿನ ಫೋಟೋ ಹೊಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಸಹ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. So these are all proof of existence of God. If you ask me, what's the proof? By random chance, and I can't believe that this kind of formations can happen. Maybe others are, the zombies might believe that this is all random, but not me. Since my mind is nice and crystal clear, my brain is also working quite well. And all those practices that I do, I kept my mind clean and pure. ಸಾಕು ಬಾ.